Well, Sia has said that the government's policy paralysis has tarnished the image of brand India and adversely affected the sentiments of foreign investors. Sia's main focus for the current fiscal is to revive growth and reforms and improving governance.
The government's policy paralysis has tarnished the image of brand India and adversely affected the sentiments of foreign investors, Adi Godrej, the new president of Confederation of Indian Industry, has said. With a series of happenings and some rollbacks, clearly the brand India image is hampered and it has impacted long-term foreign investment. It is imperative that the focus should be on reforms and good governance. CII has asked Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to fast-track economic reforms, which in turn would boost investments and accelerate growth. After meeting the Prime Minister, they discussed with him about taking the reform process ahead. This will help in improving the perception of India's image, attract more investments and revive the growth. But the damage is not something that cannot be reversed. The need of the hour is that we improve our governance and put reforms on the fast track. CII's main focus for the current fiscal is to revive growth and reforms and improving governance. CII is already engaging with government and other political parties to push for reforms in critical areas like goods and service tax, direct taxes code and FDI. Second generation reforms in the areas of land acquisition, power, agriculture and acceptance of GST and FDI in multi-retail brand are the key of the proposed growth trajectory. Bureau Report, DD News, Mumbai.
U.S. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner reflecting concerns in the U.S. business community